Hello again and welcome to Uncle Jeff's Easy-Peasy English. Today we're looking at, in and on for location. For example, when something is at a place, it's close to it but not touching it. For example, we'll meet at the bus stop, or I think there's someone at the door. When something is in a place, it's inside it. For example, the money was in a drawer, in my desk, in my office. Or, what's in the envelope? And when something is on a place, it's actually in contact with it. For example, I left my keys on the table. Or, he put his hand on hers. How romantic. English grammar, at, in and on for location, it's easy peasy. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on Uncle Jeff's Easy Peasy English. Bye-bye for now.